News Fam, Euro finals, and yep, it rained.
Everyone's setting off, everyone's unloading, getting everything sorted. We had a little bit of rain. Yeah, that's the Petros pond.
Anyone who's been following our journey knows it hasn't been easy. It's not been straightforward. But here's another D series all put together. Because we're not running for championship points per se, this weekend was all about testing ready for next season. When I say we haven't been coming for points per se this weekend, it's because we haven't been able to work out how to be competitive and fast and consistent with this tiny little D-Series engine. But we still get scrutinised, we still get spot checked and still make sure that our D-Series is up to spec. It's the first time in a while we're not babysitting the mayor's van. Here he is, half the man he used to be. The mayor is actually here with his baby this weekend.
I am here for a taste.
Street Racers gang in the house. Glitch looking gorgeous. Emma looking glamorous as always. Silver. Yo! Ready to take the shed dead fast? Hell yeah. And I'm here with Murph. Hi Murph.
Hi Rich.
Tell everyone what the plan is.
We're planning on trying not to break the car. That's always the plan. I think we're just going to do a bit of testing, 60-foot times, and try and save the car for the weekend as much as possible.
After a very rainy start, we are finally in the pairing lanes and cannot wait to start going. Tom's eliminator. Q1 solid launch. Matty backed off as planned. Everything stayed together. A to B. No dramas.
World's quickest Ford powered van.
Then Terry did this.
So yeah, Spencer will get out in front of him, but here comes Terry with the van. Will it be in the 8s, and how far? The answer is an 8.61!
Another PB, another world record, smashing his old one. Nice one, Terry. Here we are with Chris. Chris's birthday this weekend.
Yeah, I've got to live another day, yeah.
It's all weekend, really.
21.
21 again. Story of yesterday was rain, pretty much on and off all day. The story of today so far, sunshine. We've had the 90-minute warning, so we will be out in a little bit with comp eliminator. Everyone's chilling, getting ready this morning. Nice, relax in the morning. Luke likes selfies.
Low job.
Luke likes selfies.
Oh yeah, selfies.
Here we go then, quali 2, we're hoping for a nice solid 1, 2, 3 and back on.
Ultimate Street Car, he finally achieved his mission. He got the 1.6 turbo Honda Civic front wheel drive into the 8-second zone, ran an 8.9. Whoa! Managed to keep it in his lane. Right, Matt Davison. He disappears into the distance with a 9.11 at 138. Nice run there for Matt.
Dirk had a wild ride in the other lane. Thank goodness both of the drivers were safe. Glorious weather today, not a cloud in the sky.
Right, this is Mr. Boost, Matty Davison.
Matty Davison, one of the crowd favourites at Gassed on track at Silverstone. Obviously, Santa Pod Raceway were invited there with a few cars. Matty Davison was one of them. We had a small burnout competition in the live action arena, of which Matty Davison won.
He also came to Silverstone Festival, and we warned the crowd it was loud. They didn't really listen to my warnings. When he brought it up on Boost, they all realised I wasn't lying. So around about 900 horsepower for the 1.6 litre VTEC. We went 9.11, best in qualifying so far. That's not a bad looking run at all. 9.00, almost back into the 8s again.
Full days of testing with this engine and we hadn't broke it. It was a bit of a weird feeling. Damo was buzzing for us, especially considering we'd clocked a 9 flat pass at 166 mile an hour. Not bad at all. Elsewhere in the pits, chaos everywhere. Emma was fighting a water pushing issue. Didn't look it though, because she was still flying.
That's a cracking looking run for both of them. Army's car absolutely flew off the start line. 8.77, 8.94.
So Gordon just took a glitch home, built a new motor overnight, as you do. The mare had got straight off the trailer and into a world record run, then broke the gearbox. So that came out in the pits. Big up Graham and Alan for turning it round in no time. And Luke couldn't find any gears. So that Golf had Jamie and Royce underneath it for most of the night too. Standard front wheel drive weekend, I guess. Despite the challenges, no one gets upset in our pits. So Friday night we hit the stands for fireworks. Terry had everyone in stitches with his adults only mystery bags, and Nitro FM dropped 2-step thunder. Honestly, not a bad Friday at all.
I've told you once, I've told you twice, hanging out with the mare, you end up in mischief. Oh, here he is, the prick. Mousy, you're going to get up to some mare mischief.
I'm leaving him to it.
There's definitely mare mischief born on here.
Well, Thursday and Friday proved the engine was on point. We've pushed it hard, no guts yet, but we'll turn the boost up to the moon. Let's see what happens Sunday, eh? Maybe another 8, maybe another rod out the block. Who knows? You never know who you're going to bump into the pairing lanes, but obviously we do. This is Al from Hocus Pocus Focus.
Tell us
all about the car.
Well, we have a Mark 1 Ford Focus, affectionately known as the Hocus Pocus Focus. It's green, you cannot miss it. We're a 2 litre ZTEC, turbocharged, obviously. And If you know any front wheel drive cars, you'll have seen the Fat Pig Racing Escort van of Terry Newton, our mayor.
Oh yes, we have.
Yeah. My car is basically a few iterations behind him, because I take all his second-hand parts because I am tight and don't want to spend the same money Terry does. So, in the future, I'll be where Terry is now, and he'll be off in the distance. So, yeah.
Who's on the front of it?
We have everyone's favourite prick, Chris, all over the front of my car. Because he came up with the name, so he had to go on the car.
Love that. And of course, there's a YouTube channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously, Mr. Boost, and like and subscribe everything from the Hocus Pocus Focus. Thanks, Al.
Thank you.
That's broken.
What we didn't know at the start line was how bad it was. Matt handled it perfectly, bringing the Civic to a safe stop even when it was on fire. He said he thought it was just a normal exhaust flame he'd seen, only realising later when the marshals told him the car was still on fire at this point. He's taken his helmet and hands off just to help them out pushing it. The marshals were straight on it though. Barely any fluid on the track, barely any downtime. We're pushing these machines to the max every pass.
You alright? Yeah. I need what's locked up somehow. Okay. I did see a flare, but I think it came off the door. Oh, was it? That's what we tried to do down. Yeah, very, very long.
With the belly pan catching what it can, the right safety gear protecting Matt, all was okay. Thanks guys.
So the last run didn't really go to plan, but it was all's out and it was either going to work or not. So clearly it didn't work, and we've had a little fire as far as we know. Guess we're going to go and find out.
We love the Civic and got huge respect for Matt. It's never easy seeing failure or hearing the word fire, but that's reality when you're chasing records every single run. You know it'll happen at some point, just don't know when. One thing's for certain, never ever cut corners on safety gear, guys.
He's alright.
I mean, it's fine. It was just a little fire. We've had them before.
What's happened?
It's not now.
Have we broken the gearbox now as well? Mend.
And I've got no clutch pedal.
Brilliant. Are you okay
I
though?
don't know what's happened first.
Oh yes!
There's 2 rods down there. There's 3 holes in it.
That's a better link up in there.
That's a better job.
That's a better one.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, I don't know why I've got no clutch pedal anymore.
Because it's probably someone's
Twisted
probably
the
gone,
clamp, maybe, yeah.
someone's probably gone that way and it's jammed the clutch up, so it can't press it. There'll be a chunk of gearbox.
No,
probably.
the pedal's gone to the floor and there's nothing there.
Oh, there's no pedal there anymore.
Let's hope the clutch line off.
No bust the pipe through, no?
No, it's just really straight up thing there, so probably broken something.
This car is fucking 90%.
Well, look at what it's caught on
yeah,
there.
it's caught everything.
Yeah, we'll just sit here for a bit and enjoy the nice weather that we've got.
Wow.
Get on with it. Nice one, Matty.
If ever there was proof that belly pans should be mandatory, this was it. 3 rods out the block, yet no shrapnel on the track. The fire was nothing more than oil and a hot manifold. It was quickly out with water. So that's us officially done for the season. Time now to celebrate Chris's 50th. Oh, and I squeezed in a quick Nitro FM interview about Two-Step Thunder.
Yeah, right, people probably won't know who you are or why you're here. What car is it? Let's start from there, shall we?
Yeah, it is the Honda Civic that was out today in Comp Eliminator.
And how's that going?
It was going really, really well. We went in the 8th at USC. We did 9 flat was our best this weekend, and then we had a rapid disassembly, but that's fine. That's racing.
Absolutely, yeah. So is it fixable or are you out?
We're out for this season, but that's absolutely fine. It is what it is. We're near the end of the season now, anyway.
Absolutely. You've done well to get this done.
Yeah, thank you very much. We'll be rebuilding and out next year.
Fantastic. So the real reason we've got you in here is because something happened on the internet and someone said you need to get a copy of this song. Now, how did this start?
Anybody who's ever kind of hung out with all the front wheel drive lot in Malta, big up how far, will know that I'm usually first out on the karaoke.
Right.
So I just thought, with all the technology and things that are out there now, why not have a sit down, have a play with some lyrics and sing a song about drag racing and Matt and the car, and that's
where it all started?
Where it all started, yeah.
Fantastic. So the track is Two-Step Thunder, and you are going to release it on platforms, shall we say, but it's currently on YouTube if someone does want to find it and have a listen, but we're going to play it for you in a second. So shall we play that now and we'll have a chat?
Yeah, why not?
Brilliant. So this is Mr. Boost and Two-Step Thunder. Yeah. That is a great little track.
Thank you.
It's upbeat and it's actually quite a bit of drag racing written in the lyrics though, isn't there?
Yeah, absolutely.
All about your car, but we'll let you off. That's fine.
All about anyone who does Two-Step Thunder.
Absolutely, yeah. So I mean, what made you start that? Obviously you're into karaoke and whatever, but why did you decide to write a song specifically for your car and the strip?
Usually songs are written about the typical love story, and our love story is at the strip. Everyone's love story around here is at the strip, and there's a lot of V8s out there. We've been introduced to loads of people, which is really nice, because we've been popping out to Silverstone quite a bit.
Right.
We did the Silverstone Festival, we've done Gaston Track, and been obviously invited through Santa Pod there. And the thing that shocks the public a lot is when Matty goes on the two-step, and it's so funny. So that was what gave me the inspiration of the song.
Brilliant. That's a great little backstory. That's great. So can we expect some more things from you?
Maybe.
I'm not going to put you on the spot to write something now for us, but we'll look forward to you. If you can.
This is just off the whim.
Fantastic. So I asked you what your influence on music was, and you chose a track, which I don't know, but it's on our system, so...
So yeah, it's a dance track, it's upbeat, sorry for the rock fans out there.
Right.
But it's called Grace, Not Over Yet, so you might have seen our car have a little rapid disassembly, but don't worry, it's not over yet, we'll be back out.
Fantastic then. Thank you very much for popping in, have a great rest of the evening, and enjoy the rest of the show, because obviously we've got another day of racing to sit and watch, really, haven't we?
Yes, loads to see.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me.
No worries, thanks for popping in. So here we go, and this is Grace and Not Over Yet.
Our journey has had its highs and its lows. Becoming the first D series in Europe to run an 8-second pass has not come easy, but we wouldn't have changed a thing. Well, maybe a bigger budget, but that's it. We've got love, laughter and challenges to keep us sharp. We've got an amazing support network too. Keep watching the front wheel drive, especially in Comp Eliminator. Promise you, we're only getting started.